So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Amir Junaid Ahmed. I'm the secretary of my association, and I warmly welcome you all to this Flutter Development Career Program organized by the AMI Students Chapter in collaboration with the industry expert. Today marks the beginning of a practical journey, not just learning Flutter, but learning how to build production ready mobile applications from scratch to deployment. The mission of the AMI Students chapter is simple to bridge the gap between the academic learning and real industry requirement. So we focus on skill based learning, practical exposure, industry mentorship, career, as well as placement opportunities. And this program is designed exactly with the mission in mind. So we are privileged to have with us Mr. Sajid. He's a Flutter engineer with 2 years of industry experience, and currently he's based in Chandigarh. He's actively working in software industry and has hands-on experience in real client projects, production level mobile applications, backend integrations, deployment process. Since he's working in the industry, he will not only teach concepts but will also demonstrate real-world case studies and live project scenarios. So you will learn how companies actually build applications, not just theoretical examples.
Yes,
So what you will learn here. So our next 2024 sessions will cover Flutter from absolute zero, and finally we'll learn how to deploy the applications that you develop. So by the end of this program, you will know how to build, test, optimize, and deploy your own application professionally. After successful completion of the program, all the participants here will receive a certificate. The certificate is from software company, Software Services and Solutions. It is listed in the AICT internship portal as well. So we also actively hire interns and professionals for our own company as well as client projects. So outstanding performers may receive jobs or internship opportunities once the program ends successfully. So this program is not just about learning. It opens doors to real career opportunities. I encourage all of you to attend regularly, practice daily, ask questions. At the end, we'll have some Q&A sessions and build alongside the mentor. So if you stay consistent by the end of this program, you won't just be a learner. You will be a Flutter developer ready for the industry. So I now invite our resource person, Mr. Sajid, to begin today's session. Thank you, everyone, and let's begin this journey. Mr. Sajid?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. This is Mohammed Sajid, and basically I am from Patna. Currently, I'm in Chandigarh, and I have a experience of 2 year in Flutter development. And I have started my career in 2024, initially in Chandigarh, and along with that, I have built mobile applications in Android in Flutter, and it's a real world scenarios project in which I have done lots of project, the real world things like for example, let me give you some example what kind of project I have done that will let you know that more about me, that uh, about body posture detection. These are one of my project, some of archery scoring, that is a scoring app, and many more project I have done, like Stellar, a US based project that is for multiple countries. Google Calendar integration. These are the project on which I am working. And in this session, I'm going to teach you from scratch, each and everything from scratch, how to build a Flutter project, a Flutter app. I think all of you are right now in a nascent age. I mean, you are in a stage where you have to learn from the basic scratch, detailing things like what's the tool it is and what kind of uh, uh, software be built from the Flutter. So from scratch, I will let you know each and everything. Amit sir, am I audible to everyone? Uh, am I audible to everyone? Okay, 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 perfect. So what exactly Flutter is? So I'm just sharing my screen. Just 1 minute. Yes, is it visible to all of you? Just message yes or no. Screen is visible to you?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So what exactly Flutter is, right? So let's start with what exactly Flutter is. Basically, there are lots of framework on which we work. Android is a framework, right? And in which we make app for Android devices. Exactly what iOS, in iOS, there are also lots of framework in which we form iOS app. So for that, lots of technology that we do. So Flutter is also a one technology in which we make apps. So what kind of technology it is? Already we have Android, already we have Swift, like for iOS development. So why we just
Rajat, please
start
go.
working on the Flutter? You know why Flutter is so common? Uh, just wait for a while. Somebody just messaged me. Oh, okay. Am I audible right now?
Yes. Yes, you are.
Okay, perfect. Actually, I apologize from my side. That is some internet issue at the last moment, but I just make sure from next time it will not be possible. So just once again apologize and let's continue what exactly we are on. Okay, so why we use Flutter? I think most of you are just nascent, most of from college students all over the India, and they're curious about what Flutter it is. And I think most of the students from all of you, I think research on the Flutter as well. Some of them work also on Flutter. But I will just start this classes as from very basic. from very nascent so that each and everyone will understand what exactly. So we are on why we use Flutter because is a cost efficient, it's a platform efficient, it support both on iOS as well as Android. It's a cross-platform mobile web embedded device using a single code base. Yeah, that's only one single code base. We can run both the uh, Android as well as iOS projects. So, and in this framework, which kind of languages we use? So Dart programming language. Dart programming language we use in this Flutter. So later on, after as the classes will goes on, I'll just teach you some Dart programming languages and how the things is and how a variable functions, how the OOPS concept in Dart, each and everything. It's definitely the format of the Dart language is definitely you will let understand very clearly because it's different. It is simple and it is understandable exactly as C language. So you will understand this. What is Dart? Dart is object-oriented class-based programming language
Sajid,
developed by. Hello.
Sajid, yes, please share your screen.
Uh, is it not shared? Okay, 1 minute. I have shared. Just wait. Yeah, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. If any problem comes now, you can just let me know front. Okay. Okay. What exactly Flutter in Flutter? What we do? It's simple object-oriented clay programming language developed by Google, optimized for client-side development. So it is developed by Google itself, and it's a client-side development. It is free to use, so that you don't have to purchase any kind of subscription. You can simply use these languages. Strong typing with flexibility, rich set of code libraries. There are lots of libraries in Dart. Pack, there are lots of packages which we will later discuss while developing this project, and compilation to native machine code for first app performance. It's also used compilation for app performance. So these are the features of Dart. So for Flutter development, what kind of things is necessary? That firstly we have discussed that Flutter, what exactly is Flutter and how it is originated. Second, which languages, that is Dart, is used in this development. And the most important is what kind of tools and what kind of things is necessary to develop apps in, and what kind of platform that we can use. So we will use Android Studio, right? So Android Studio, VS Code, yeah. So this SDK will be here. Just first download it from, the and
Sajid, your screen stop sharing again.
okay, just wait. Yeah, okay. So SDE software development kit we use in Flutter, and Android Studio. We can use Android Studio, Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ ID, and one thing is also necessary, that's device emulator, whether you can use mobile phone to view the app layout while you develop, and whether you have to make in Android Studio your own uh, emulator. I will later uh, show you how to make any emulator in Android Studio. Each and everything will be just I will show you from basic so that you understand it. So these are the steps that download Flutter SDK. This download Flutter SDK for OS, and these are the SDK path you have to set. Install Dart SDK. So just 1 minute. I'll just you. Okay. So these things are covered. Now let me. Yes. So for Android Studio, you can simply search Android Studio, and you just go to the development.android.com. It is showing. So just click, you have to click on download Android Studio. Just wait. Yeah. So we have you are watching that Android Studio Panda 1 is showing over here. So you can simply click on this for download, and automatically it will download your computer. It will take some time, depend on your Android, your internet speed. So already I have downloaded. So I'll just share you these things from another PC. Just wait for 1 minute. Uh, so can I have I have joined meeting from another laptop. So just allow me. It's MD Sajid showing over there. Allow me to share. Okay. Yes. So there's a step to download Android Studio. First, download it. There's one thing is showing. You have a term and condition will be show over here. What kind of term and condition? You don't have to learn. Don't have to read each and everything. Just scroll it up, and you have to just take it. It is checked. If it is checked, okay, just download it from here for window. So just make sure your Android Studio is downloaded in C drive and inside the program file. So now you are watching that it is being downloaded here over here, and it is showing here, right? So it will take time. It will take a few minutes, depend on your internet speed. So once it will download, uh, you just simply, what you do, you just open the screen. Once you click on the .exe file, it will download, and it will in your drive, it will in your uh, it will show here. So we can simply stop it right now. Yeah, once it download, what exactly you have to do? You just have to click on that downloaded file, and when it will show a window, and just you have to click on the next option, and it will download, and all the things Android Studio will be set up to your project. The second step, I will just show you how to download SDKs. So just wait. Yeah, yes. So wait. Simply just type Flutter SDK, and you can click on Flutter SDKs. Once you go, you have to open Flutter. Yeah, here is showing Flutter SDK archives, and just click on that. You will land on this page. You have to scroll it up, and you will just get these 2026 schedule. That is Flutter version, and it is showing here. And what exactly you have download? Just make sure it will show here. Window, Mac OS, and Linux stable channel. So as per your computer, you can download the uh, previous version, version also. But if your computer and if your laptop is a new version, you can download the latest version as well. But I will suggest you to download 3.35. That is Flutter version. 3.35.5. It is a Flutter version. Just make sure it's a Flutter version, and here it is Dart version. So download, you just download it here. It will start downloading. It is taking time, and uh, am I visible to all of you? Just ping me a message. Okay. So you have to download any kind of version. Once you download, it will download, and it will show in your over here.
Sajid, your screen is not visible again.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Once you click on the version, Flutter version, any kind of SDK, for example, I have a click on 3.35.0, so it will start downloading. You are watching, it will start downloading over here. So we don't have to wait to download. Already I have downloaded it. Once it downloads, it will be present over here. You have to go to your C drive. Yeah. Yeah. So I have put my downloaded file here inside src. There is program data, and there's C and then program data and then src. Just wait. Okay, it is present in D drive. So what exactly you have to do once you extract it, you have to open this Flutter. There's a bin file. Just open that file and just copy the path. You have to just copy the path, and you have to go to environment variable. You have to search env. Here it will open environment variable. So why we are doing this? What is the reason behind it? So we are doing this to set our Flutter SDK path to Android Studio to our system, so that we can use the Flutter packages, Flutter languages to support in our Android Studio to build Android Flutter app. So your what you have to do? You have to go in environment variable, right? Your environment variable will open. So you have lots of options like variable, path. So you have to go to path and you have to go to edit. You can watch that lots of path is already given, right? So already Java path I have given already this file. So you have to create, I'm not talking about my PC configuration. In your system, you go to the path, you have to click on the new option and you have to just paste the path. This is the your SDK, Flutter SDK path. It must be over. I don't have to, I am not necessary it is for me. Already I have given the path. So what exactly, when just give the path over here, once you give the path, what you have to do, you just simply have to click OK. You have to click, then you can also OK, and you simply click OK. It will finish, and then you have to go to the command prompt. Uh, Once. Just close it, open again. My screen is visible, so you have to check Flutter version. Now Flutter version is showing over here. The Flutter 3.24.2. So my SDK, as per that, my Flutter version is 3.24.2. It is very necessary for Flutter development. If you don't install SDK, you cannot able to make any Flutter project, any Flutter app. So this is very necessary. And here you can also watch the Dart SDK is also Dart version 3.5.2 and Flutter version is 3.24.2. These are the very necessary features and very necessary steps that you have to take before developing any project and before setting your Android Studio for developing Flutter project. So just close it, and now you can open the Android Studio. Now you can see already I have created one small project, but I will let you know how to create uh, a small project from starting. So don't worry about it. Firstly, I'll just let you understand what is that exactly Android Studio, how it is looking, and what kind of tools, what kind of features over here. This is the workspace where we will develop any app. Just just wait for a while. Yeah. Why is this happening? Wow. Okay. Mm, just wait for 1 minute more, or wait, it will not work. We'll just go on another things, necessary things. Okay, just wait for a minute. We'll reopen the Android Studio. Once you are down, you can also check over here Android Studio. You search Android Studio, and it will. You can open also over here. My version is Meerkat. It is showing here. So now it is open. You can watch the Android Studio workspace here. So this is the layout of Android Studio, and this is title bar in uh, every software development kit, any platform where you develop, whether it is Android Studio, whether it's Microsoft things, is a title bar, and here it will showing. Now I have not connected my device. It's the window showing. These are the main dot dart. There's a body, there's a main building block that is necessary for running the app. These are the buttons. These for to run your app, and this for debug run. In all the development, I will understand about the simple run and debug run also. That is for debugging mode. So later we will discuss once we start working on this. So these are the once you click on the hamburger button over showing over the title bar, just click on that. It will show file, edit, view, navigation, code, refactor, build, where you can make the Flutter app. These are the steps. Once your app is ready, just click on the build. You have to go to the build. You can app build APK, and you can use that link to download. These are used for run, debug run. Already I have show you over here, and these are the tools like whether these are the these are the tools like Flutter, Kotlin. In Flutter, these are the Flutter propagate, Flutter upgrade, Flutter clean, Flutter doctor, Flutter start. These are the command that we will use. So let's first I will just show you some command to understand whether it is working or not. Yeah, so just already I am in project test project. These are the command. You just simply have to Flutter version. See, in command prompt, it's also showing Flutter version, and here it is also showing the Flutter version 3.24.2, and the version is there. So just these are the commands: Flutter clean. It will it will delete all the packages you install in the project. These are the these are the command Flutter clean. And the next is the Flutter propagate. 1 minute. Flutter propagate. It will just download all the packages you add in the project. This is the command use. So I will just make you understand each and every command. I'm just giving you brief how command you have to where you have to use Okay, I think you all are okay. Now your project is created. Uh, is it visible to all of you? Or I need to share 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, you have created. Now your project is created. So you can have to click new window. You can click this window. So already I have created one project, test project. Here it is showing. Just click on this window. Your project is now open over here. Now this is your first Flutter project. you have created, you can also set some things which is necessary. So then you have to first click on the hamburger button. Then you have to go to the settings and framework. So in language and framework, what is necessary for Flutter project? That is, one is Flutter and the second is Dart. So as you're watching already, before creating project, we have set the Flutter path where we have download the SDK. So you have to just set here. So it is showing here. It means your path is set, and in Dart also version is showing 3.5.2. So it is show that your project is successfully created. Now this project is created, and let me show you in your folder where it is present. So just so you have to go to C drive. That then after you have to go to user Dell Android Studio project. So it is untitled. So let's rename this. First, our first project. So yeah, just wait. One minute. Click on user, then Android Studio projects. So there's some issue in that project. So once you create from the Android Studio or whether from the folder, you can just you can see all the settings like Flutter option is here. First go to PAM files. So these are the UI which is showing our project files, that is Dart tool, Android folder, it is iOS folder, and main thing, all your files for development, it will be inside the lib folder. So what is the step we have done? We can create the project from the Android Studio. Let's create it from the folder itself. So just simply create a project. You can type the folder name, next project, or any kind of project you name. Just open this, just copy the path. Just copy the path, and you simply what exactly you have to go. You have to do command. You have to search here. Don't just get just cmd. Just open the command prompt. You have to do cd and paste the path over here. Just enter. Now you are inside the directory. You have to just type Flutter, create, demo, first demo 2026. Just enter this. Now your project is creating. All done. All done is showing your project is now created. Just close it. Just you have to go next project. Now your first demo project 2026 is created, and all the folder which is necessary like Android, iOS, lib, all are present here. Now you can simply open this project also from here. Just click on open Android Studio. Yes, Android Studio, and then next is next project, or first demo project. Just click on open, and there's a one pop-up will show trust. You have to just click trust project. Yeah, same window. Yeah, perfect. Now your project is created. Your first demo project is created from the Android Studio and from the folder as well by using command. There's a two method to create project. So let's see all the things is present over here or not. Yeah, all the thing is present. Dart, you have iOS, you have Android, all the folder. So these are the steps to create your Flutter projects. And in the upcoming classes, I will also let you understand and run the app and also create the UI and your first app also. There's a one option over here, device manager at the right side where icon notification, your device manager. Just click on the device manager option. Already I have one device over here, but it will take some time to download. So what exactly you have to do? You have to just use your mobile phone. I don't want to stuck the class in between. That is why I suggest all of you, see, you are not using your mobile phone to develop any big project. You just have to learn for just few days, like for 1 month. You can use your mobile phone. I will let you know understand that you can make your mobile phone as a developer option. It will show, and I will share you the option how you make the project and how you make your mobile Android mobile phone by on your developer mode, and then after it will show over here, and your mobile phone is also will be visible. For example, I am using Redmi 8, so that will be show over here. Uh, for one minute, whether I have Just 1 minute. Mm, what we have discussed. So in next classes, in upcoming next classes, I will just let you know the how you make your mobile devices or testing device to run your Flutter app, and how you can attach your how you can attach your mobile phone that will show over here, that will show over here, and just click on, for example, my device name will be show Redmi. Redmi here, click on the Redmi, and once you run the app, it will show in your real device. That is a magic. That is a magic, and you will just feel what exactly your app look like, and why it is made, why it is something very unique to your first app. So I'll just understand you what it is main. Okay, main dot dart. See, it is a building block of any Flutter project. Every project your app will run from the main app. Run app main, run app const my app. So in C programming, we also know there is all the program will be run from the main app. In the Flutter, your app is also run from the run app inside my app, inside the main app, and these are the building block like build, and that's the title of the project Flutter demo. You can change your app name over here also. For example, my first project, and these are the basically these are the functions. Increment counter. You will understand this once you feel the app. When I click the counter button, there's a button inside the view. When I click on the counter button, it will increment. So for the increment, this function is there. That is that is set. It is also function to change your state. For example, you are in a state A, and you have to go from the state A to state B. You are in a state A, you are sitting, and in state B, you are standing. So when I click increment button, it will change your state 1 to state 2 from sitting to standing. So I will make you feel while developing the project how this thing is happening and how this thing. And your all project will be running will be inside the widget build. So I think it's a topic of the next classes that I will understand you what is widget, what is default, what is what it is center, what is body, what is app bar, so that you will understand. And I will run the app also on that in mobile phone. You will understand. See, it is floating floating action button. It is showing here. So just wait for us. Just wait for a while. I will share you one thing. Floating action button. This is a code, one screen with a button and one text. For example, it is one it is showing. So when you click on the button, it will increment 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So we are implementing feature here. It's a floating action button. I'll just make you understand by using some images. Yeah. So yeah. So in the app, yeah, floating action button, right? So once you click on this, just yeah, once you click on this button, just click on this button, that function will call on pressed. So I think, yeah. So we have covered lots of topics like right now as a first classes, I'll just understand you what exactly Flutter it is, how it is used, and what kind of tool is necessary to build the Flutter app, Android Studio, Flutter SDK, and if you have your mobile phone, it will help you also. So Dart is necessary. Dart is the programming language that we use in the upcoming classes. Yeah, these are the basic things: stateless, stateful. In the next upcoming class, I will understand you stateless and stateful. Yeah, one thing is I have shown you while downloading or set up your Android Studio, it will some glitch in my computer. So don't worry about it. Just See, I have already shown you. You have to go to the download Android Studio on your Chrome. You have to search download Android Studio. You go to the your download Android Studio website. It is showing. Just click on the first the Android Studio version is showing over here. Just click on the Android download Android Studio. It will download to your system. Yeah, it will download to your system. Once it will download, it is .exe file. Once it will download, see, read terms and condition. Already we have worked on this. Download, agree. We have checked the things, and then download. Then after it will save to your computer.exe for window. So we all most of the students are using a window the .exe file. Once it will download, just click on that downloadable file. Automatically pop-up will yeah, something is over here. Perfect. Just 1 minute. Oh. Yes. Now it is visible to all of you. Once your exe file is downloaded, just click on that exe file. There is a this kind of UI will show. This kind of pop-up will come to your window. Just click on the next option. So once the next option you click, your Android Studio started setting up. Once it will finish, it will show to finish and start Android Studio. You can click also start Android Studio, and you can click the finish button. So once you finish the Android Studio, here same thing is your Android Studio will open, and Android Studio will open, and it will same look like this. You just try to download it by today, and also download the SDK. As SDK things is also I have defined. Just download the Android Studio, just download the SDK, and inside your environment variable set the SDK path, and just create projects as we have discussed. If any kind of difficulties, any kind of problem will come, I'm here to discuss all the things. So these are the things from my side for today. So if any one of you have any question, you can just raise your hand or you can just message. I'll just try to answer you.